In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to invite friends on Poppo Live. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Here on the screen is the home page of my Poppo Live. The first step you need to take is to your profile section. You can see the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. So when you do that, looking here, you can see the option of invite. You need to go ahead and click on that. So this is the number of people I've been able to invite. In order for you to invite someone on Poppo Live, you need to click on the invite now button. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. So when you click on that like this, go ahead and click on share. You can actually select any of this. You can use any of this to invite someone on Poppo Live. Click on share and click on copy link. So once you do that, go ahead and share the link with the person. Now there's actually a rule for inviting someone on Poppo Live. Right here, if you click on rules at the top right corner, if you click on that rule right here, you're going to see the rule here. Now it says here, invite friends to register. Friends who download the app for the first time and complete registration through the link you shared, or fill your ID in the inviter ID field during registration, will count as a successful invitation. So if you send a link to someone and that person used your link to download the Poppo Live app and register, it is actually going to count that you've actually invited that person and you're going to be rewarded for that. Right here as well, the second rule here is if the invitee completes face authentication and the following tasks, you will also receive corresponding reward. Note, the new host only counts 3 hours of live broadcast every day. So you need to also tell that person you are inviting that person needs to complete their face authentication and also perform the necessary tasks on their Poppo Live account, and also go live for at least 3 hours, and you're going to be rewarded as well for them doing that. So this is how simple it is to invite someone on Poppo Live. Hope you found this video helpful. Now we do videos like this on this channel. Do it to hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.